Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Farizana. For today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make a refreshing amazing chocolate milkshake with just 4 ingredients. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. The 4 ingredients I'll be using are chocolate chunks, vanilla ice cream, cocoa powder or Milo, and 3/4 of any kind of milk. I will first go in with the ice cream. I have a full video on how to make it at home, so I'll put the link right in the description box so that you can make yours at home. And then go in with my Milo. I will now add my chocolate chunks and milk. Let it sit for 2 minutes if you want it smooth, and blend after the 2 minutes. Pour your chocolate milkshake into a cup and enjoy. So, this is our final product. I just sprinkled some chocolate chunks on it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe. Stay tuned. Till we meet next time. Bye.